to DigitalBix Fashions. Do you wish to get rid of dry patches and itchy skin? Pollution, dirt, and dust in the atmosphere cause most of the skin damage. Using the best dry skin creams can help you restore the natural balance of your skin and make it healthy, smooth, and supple. Here is the list of 5 best creams for dry skin in India. Number 1. Lotus Herbals Wheat Germ Oil Facial Massage Cream. This cream contains astringent, antiseptic, antioxidant and inflammatory properties promote cell rejuvenation. Number 2. The Body Shop Vitamin E Intense Moisture Face Cream. The Body Shop Vitamin E Intense Moisture Face Cream makes your skin radiant and smooth. It keeps your skin hydrated for long hours without making it oily or greasy. Number 3. Biotic Bio Wheat Germ Youthful Nourishing Night Cream. This cream contains vitamin A, B, D, and E, extracts of galangal and carrot, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, and almond oil. Number 4. L'Oreal Paris Advanced Revita Lift Deep Set Wrinkle Repair Night Cream. This cream contains pre-retinol formulation that is ideal for skin firming as well as reducing wrinkles and fine lines from your face. Number 5. Nivea Soft Light Moisturizing Cream for Dry Skin. This cream contains vitamin E jojoba oil in a fast absorbing formula that seeps deep into your skin. It gives a healthy glow and even toned skin for a radiant and bright appearance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.